guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing good and staying at home and staying safe. And I uploaded a vlog recently cooking a paneer fried rice. I will link the video here. You can see it. It'll be in the description box as well. Recently I tried a no oven eggless cake recipe, which was not very successful. Like, it almost turned out like a brownie. It was tasty though. When I posted a photo of the first attempt on Instagram, so many of you guys wanted me to share the recipe, so I thought I'll try it again and see if it turns out better this time. I will link the original recipe in the description box below so you can check that out. And yeah, so when I tried it for the first time, I didn't use the correct method that she showed in the video. I put it in an oven because I didn't have butter paper. So before we move ahead, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, hit the notifications on, and yeah, if you do like it, please comment below guys, please. Let's go. Keeping my fingers crossed, I'm trying it in a different way this time. Keeping it on a tawa on a low flame, and I'm going to cover it completely. So this is what it looks like after 15 minutes. Put a toothpick inside and see. Looks to be cooked, you guys. So it has definitely risen. I'm not really sure if it's cooked yet. I'm very confused because मैंने Cadbury भी डाला है, तो I don't know if it's that is melted and a little gooey. So I'm going to keep that for 5 minutes more and let it cool, and I'm going to keep my fingers crossed and I hope that it's done. Side से तो निकला हुआ लग रहा है.
Perfect.
So that's the cake. Yippee! Still not perfect attempt, but much better than before. Tasty है यार, yummy है, gooey है, and it's fluffier than the first attempt, so I'm happy. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do try out this cake recipe, please tag me in your photos. I would love to see your recreations, and I'll see you guys in my next one.